As coronavirus cases continue to climb, the Florida Department of Health says the rate of positive results is going down. It released this positivity rate chart. The numbers may look promising, but we found out they could be a little misleading.
News 6 investigator Lewis Bolden asked the governor about all of this.
Governor Ron DeSantis seemed open to making a change to the state's dashboard. Many people look at the dashboard for daily updates about the coronavirus, and we wanted to make sure the numbers are as clear as possible.
We're close to 340,000 individuals that have been tested.
That was Governor Ron DeSantis this Sunday in Orlando, touting the number of people tested for coronavirus in Florida. But as News 6 showed you last week, when you look at our population of roughly 22 million people, the number the governor gave would be over 1% tested. But it isn't true. Are retests included in that number?
Yes, so they are. It's a good question. So yes, it does include that, because what happens is you'll have healthcare workers. Some of them don't ever test positive, but some have been tested multiple times because they may have had an exposure. So it's not unique individuals, it's total tests.
Outside of healthcare workers, we also know that the Florida Department of Health tells people who have tested positive they need 2 negative tests before discontinuing isolation. So thousands of people potentially have been tested multiple times. The number of retests is not listed on the state's dashboard.
Well, so the way it would work is, the way you'd have to do it is...
Is it a little misleading?
No, it's not misleading
to point
because
out the number of retests.
It's not misleading because what you understand, the labs report, they dump the results to the Department of Health. So what Department of Health does is they put it on the dashboard immediately so that people have the information. On the second page, if you look, it says, it explains how some people are retesting, and so it does that.
The governor showed us in the fine print of the state's 537-page daily report where it reads, people tested on multiple days will be included for each day a new result was received. But an explanation about retests is not on the state's very colorful dashboard that gives you testing numbers at a glance.
If LabCorp sends in 5,000 test results, LabCorp does not distinguish between someone who's never had a test or someone who tested positive and then tested negative twice. It's just not the way it's done.
But when the public sees the 340,000 on the dashboard, it would appear that that's 340,000 people.
Well, no, it says number of tests.
But let's go back to what the governor said when he started the press conference.
We're close to 340,000 individuals that have been tested.
Which is not true. And that's why we pressed him further about getting a more accurate number of people who have been tested. By the end of our conversation, he seemed open to the suggestion.
And actually, you know what we can do is, I'm going to see if they can parse it a little bit more. So I want just the fresh test. I think that's better.
We checked with the governor's office about when that change could happen, and we will keep you updated when it does. Reporting at the Orange County Convention Center, I'm Lewis Bolden, getting results, News 6.